Hello, what we have here today is a 1973 Norton 850 Commando. I obtained this bike a little while ago and have done some work to it, cosmetic work. I've done a new repaint on the tank. I like this stripe, so I did the stripe. I cleared over the decal on the stripe, and it's a beautiful paint job, black, as well as the side covers. And before I got the bike, the guy was a mechanic. He did a lot of work to the bike. He did a new primary chain. He did the exhaust threads where they strip out of the head. He redid all that, and I believe he said he did a top end on it. The carburetors have been gone through. This bike's very original. I put a brand new fender on it, put a brand new front tire on it, polished the fork legs. Cosmetically, the bike's very original. As I said, I put a new fender on it, but there's a little bit of pitting on the headlamp. Original gauges. She's showing 12,733 miles. Original signals, they all work. The horn does not work on the bike. I haven't looked into that. The gauges are in nice condition. There's a little mark on this one right here on top. It's very, very small. This is a very nice rider bike, and it runs really well. We're going to show you. It starts easily, usually on the first kick. But again, cosmetically, it could use a few more things. The wheel has some pitting on it, but I did put a new tire on it, as I mentioned. Working our way back, original exhaust, and you can even see it has the Norton mufflers. The rear tire is in very nice shape. A little bit of cracking on the sides, but again, it's in good tread on it. I'd feel comfortable riding that tire. And you know, the original chain guards here, original brackets. I put a new seat on it. Very nice reproduction seat. It's got the optional grab rail on it. Again, all the original signals on it, Lucas signals. I see a few of the lenses have been changed to aftermarket, but they are the Lucas signals. Again, working our way around here. I put a new speedometer cable on it. It was broken, so I can't really verify the miles. I'd like to think that's pretty accurate. Working our way again, you know, around. You know, got very nice castings. I didn't do too much polishing of them. Working our way around here, you have a here's the VIN plate. It all has matching numbers, and as you know, Norton's motor, frame, stamp number here, and also the transmission are all to be matching, and this bike is an all matching numbers bike. The brakes stop very nice, no grabbing, very smooth on the brakes, and that shows you. I'm going to do a walk around, I mean a cold start up on it now. You can see it's cold, so we're going to do a start up on it. And I turn the gas valve on, tickle the carburetors with about 2 or 3 pumps. There we are. Key on. Free to clutch a little bit.